finding the optimal path, avoiding collisions, staying clear of structure. Every meter of pipe takes decisions. Route Finder is built to take that load off you. Route Finder is available inside normal piping commands. Activate it from the context menu or with a hotkey. Your start point is already set when you begin the pipe. From there, pick your endpoint. Here, a nozzle on the heat exchanger. Take the direction from the connection node, and you're ready. Route Finder gives you control over how it routes. You can divide clearance from the nearest wall, deck, or bulkhead. You can set clearance from existing piping. For this first example, the settings stay simple, and the result speaks for itself. The system calculates the optimal path through available space, navigating around the obstacle in the middle, start to end, giving you time back instead of manual steering or collision rework. Now, a more complex case. The start point is taken from a pipeline already defined in Cadmatic P&ID. Same heat exchanger, different connection. The data is already there. Route Finder picks it up. This time, the pipe needs to reach a secondary support structure on the way. That means a waypoint. Waypoints can be added manually or loaded from saved definitions. One waypoint or several. Route Finder threads the path through all of them. Clear start, pass through the waypoint, end at the heat exchanger, and avoid the air duct components along the way. And the service base, the system calculates. And there it is, a collision-free, optimally routed pipe from start to end through exactly the point that matters. No manual segment, interference, or manual corrections needed. Route Finder is the first step toward AI-assisted routing in Cadmatic. Smarter tools that reduce repetitive effort